Ah, I almost dropped it. Hey guys, it's me Sylvia, back with another video. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I thought we would do another one of those eBay mystery boxes. Last time, you guys loved it and I loved it. We actually got some really good stuff. I got the Jeffree Star blood palette and some other really good stuff. So I thought we'd do it again. Hopefully my luck is good this time around as well, and we got some good items. The posting was very enticing. I mean, it was $100 for this mystery box right here. It's a little small, but the title of the posting ensured me that we got high-end products in here and that they're all new products, so I'm excited. They better not let me down. I did open the box just to make it easier, but everything's wrapped up in there. I have no idea what's inside. It's gonna be a mystery. That's what makes these mystery boxes fun, so I definitely did not want to take a peek before we got started. I do want to try to use the products inside and hopefully finish up my full face. I don't know, we'll see how it goes. But before we get started, make sure you are subscribed to my channel, hit the little red button and turn on those notifications. If you're a real friend, you know you're gonna turn those notifications on for me. Just hit the little bell and become part of my S-Club. Without further ado, let's see what's inside. So this is what the inside looks like. Everything's wrapped up. Look at the packaging, nice and bubble wrap. That's a good sign. Let's count how many items. That was 1. There's even some confetti in there. It's a present. I'm excited. This is like Christmas. 6 items in there. That's good. That's what the posting said I was gonna get, so they did not short me on products. And it looks like we got different sizes. We got a little one, we got a big one. What are they? I don't know. So we'll open them one by one. Oh my gosh, the wrapping on here is no joke. They're bubble wrapped and then there's even more wrapping. What is this one? I chose a medium-sized one to begin with, you know. Oh, I see Anastasia's logo. Okay, okay. This is the Blush Trio palette from them. I'm actually dying because I'm pretty sure I bought this in my most recent discounted clearance makeup video. But I mean, are there the same shades in there? I don't know. Let's open it up. Oh yeah, has not been touched. And this one's actually different than the one I got in my last video. There's different shades in there, so I'm happy about that. I don't have doubles. So pretty! And Anastasia is a high-end brand, so they weren't lying. That's a good product so far. I'm happy. And I don't have any blush on, so we'll apply exactly what I needed for my makeup today. So there's 3 gorgeous shades in there. I really like this middle pink shade. It looks like that one has some shimmer in it. And then the other 2 are mattes, more neutral colors. And I mean, perfect for spring. Liking these shades. And this retails for $30. So the fact I have 5 other products to still go through, it looks like we're gonna definitely have made the $100 back, you know, it'll be worth it. But we'll see at the end how much the retail value is for everything to see if we actually save some money. So I'm gonna apply the middle shade right here with my favorite blush brush right now. It's from MAC with a 137 brush. It's just so fluffy and gentle, so you can really build up your blush subtly, and it's just perfect for the apples of your cheeks. I really like it. Ooh, I like the shimmer in there. It's definitely hitting the light, giving me a little bit of a glow. That's so pretty. Oh, she's blushing. That's a success. Let's see what else we got. Next, let's open one of the smaller ones. Oh, what is this? Looks like it's from Bite Beauty. They're high pigment lip pencils, a red and a pink shade. They swatched so creamy that the pencil actually was like breaking off. So that was like concerning to me, but they're pretty. They have like a high shine finish. I couldn't find them as a little duo, but I know individually these lip crayons are $24. So I mean, together, that's like basically $50, and we're almost hitting that $100 mark already. So far, this is going very well. I'm happy. I'm not sure if they sent us any other lip products because we haven't opened the other ones yet, but let's try the red shade for now. You see how creamy that is? That the tip of the pencil is just like wiggling around. It's about to fall off. Danger, danger. I'm too clumsy for this. It's gonna fall off and get on everything. It's melting on my lips. Very messy formula. Let me use a lip pencil. You could not get a clean application with that pencil. Applying with this lip brush is way easier. Oh, if you could see what I was doing, sorry. The color is so rich though. Would you look at that? I love this red. It's very pretty. So it's completely applied. It's a gorgeous shade. I really do love this red. And after I switched with the lip brush, it was much easier to apply because dang, this stuff is creamy, but it does feel very moisturizing and hydrating. I like how it feels on my lips. I would probably wear it with a lip liner though, because I feel like because it's so creamy, it could feather around the borders of your lips. But definitely still happy about this. I feel like this is going very well. Excited about these 2 products. Which one should I pick next? This is so fun. We'll do the other medium-sized one. I think I'm gonna save the big one for last. This looks like it's the same size as the Anastasia Trio palette. I hope it's not the same thing. We need a variety, okay? What do we got? Come on. Ooh, what is it? It's gold. Ooh, TooFaced Candlelight Glow Highlighting Powder Duo, and I don't have this. This is going so well. Ah, I almost dropped it. I jinxed myself, of course. Look at that. It retails for $30. So right now, between those 3 products, we are definitely over the $100 that I spent on the box. So let's try it, see how I like it. I'm gonna mix both shades together, because why not? We need to test the full product. And let's apply on my cheekbones. Basically, all I need is some bronzer now and eyeshadow, and I'm done my full face. That's pretty. It's very subtle. I feel like you can build it if you want it more intense, but it's definitely super finely milled powder. There's no like glitter in there. So you're gonna get more of a natural like dewy glow versus a bam glitter in your face kind of glow. You know what I'm saying? And you know what? We'll put that everywhere, cause why not? Ooh, pretty. Another good product in there. We got some good goodies so far, but you know, you could find all of these products at Sephora. I want like a rare product. Like give me some Kylie, give me some Jeffree. You know, the last mystery box got my standards way up high. So I need me some of those products. We got 3 products left, still saving the big one for last. Let's grab another one of the smaller packages. What is it? Ooh, Stila Shimmer and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow. Okay, this is a really great product. I love them, but because I love them, I own like every shade. So let's see what shade we got in here. I hope it's one I don't have. This is it swatched. Oh, so pretty. So this is different than their glitter shadows, I guess, because this is just a liquid eyeshadow. There's no glitter in there. It's just metallic. That is so pretty. It's like a rose gold. I'm gonna hold out on trying this on my face because we might have some other eyeshadows that I can work with, but this is a gorgeous color. Love it. Definitely something that I would wear, and I love the Stila eyeshadow, so a good product in there. And this retails for $24, so we're at $132 so far. Ooh, 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 oh. I just figured out a hack. I'm not gonna buy my makeup at Sephora. I'm gonna just get these mystery boxes and expand my collection from there. No, I'm not, but you know, I'm excited. So we got 2 products left. This is going so well. I don't want it to end. I'll open this one next. It's another small little package, but you know, good things come in small packaging, or so they say. We'll see if that's true. I mean, from the packaging, it looks like it's another lip product. Let that do. Oh, SmashBox. It is another lip product. It's the SmashBox Be Legendary lipstick in the shade Talk to Me. It's a gorgeous, vibrant bubblegum pink. Let's swatch. Oh my god, that reminds me of Candy Yum Yum from MAC. That is so pretty. It's matte. I don't like pinks usually, but I'm down for a vibrant pink every now and again. Should we apply? Let's apply. Sorry, bite. You gotta go. We've gotta make room for SmashBox. Ooh, I love this lipstick formula, and I don't think I have this shade, so the fact that a lot of these products I don't already have is like good with me. Do we like her? I think we do. Last but not least is the biggest package in there, and I'm hoping this is some palette that I don't have, hoping it's a rare product. Let's see. But as this goes on, I'm just expecting more and more because so far it's been so good. What is this? Okay, from Becca, the Volcano Goddess palette. I don't have this, but this is not a new product, and the post said that it would be all new products, but here she is. Oh, pretty. Look at those shades in there. And this is perfect because I needed some eyeshadow to finish up my face here. We'll do a little eye look with it, maybe use the Stila liquid shadow that I got as well, and then I'll basically be done my full face. This worked out perfectly. So there's 12 shades total. There's 3 mattes and 9 shimmers. They're all very wearable, but you got a mixture of warm tones, some cool tones, very, very pretty. These are all of the shades swatched, and they're even prettier when they're swatched. I really like these shades. And the palette retails for $46, so that brings the total retail price of everything in the mystery box to $199, which is nearly double what I paid for it. So I mean, so far, I think it's worth it. I'm gonna get more into my final thoughts at the end, but now let's do an eye look using the eye products that we got. So I've already primed my lids. We'll go in with Diamond Dust first, and let's apply that as a brow bone highlight. Oh, it has like pink reflect to it. It's really pretty. And also an inner corner highlight. Now I'm gonna mix volcanic sand and granite together, and let's just apply that all over the lid, mostly focusing in the crease. I just want this as a nice transition shade. Ooh, pretty. They're a little bit powdery and there is a lot of fallout, but I mean, I'm still getting good color payoff and seems to be blending out easily. But I feel like on a deeper skin tone, these shades could probably come out a little bit chalky. Now let's go in with the Stila liquid shadow that that we got in Jezebel. I like that this palette has a big mirror in there. It's super useful. I'm gonna apply that just on the inner part of my lid, probably about to the center. Ooh, that's like literally liquid metal for your eyes. I love it. But let's blend that up a little bit into the crease before it dries. The Stila shadow's on, super pretty. Love that. Let's go in with Red Rock now from the palette, and I'll use that to kind of deepen up the outer corner a bit. It's just like a shade darker than that rose gold color we used all over our lid, so this should be pretty. Dang, gotta watch out for that fallout though. Jeez. Now let's take the shade Crater. It's like this dark gray, and I'm gonna use that to just line my lashes on the outer corner and kind of smoke it out a bit, just deepening it up. It's a very shimmery eye look today. I would definitely recommend doing your eyes first because of the amount of fallout in this palette. It's like getting all over my concealer, which I don't like, but the shadows are pretty, so, and they're going on okay. And I'm gonna create a little wing and just kind of smoke it out. I kind of wish I had like a matte darker shade here, but that's okay. So I blended out the wing, kind of cleaned it up a bit with some concealer, and I'm just gonna connect it to my lower lash line. It looks kind of messy because it's all just like shimmers, you know, but I don't know, I kind of like it still. It's pretty. So I am liking this palette. I probably would just want to use other shades along with these ones to make them work, you know? I need some more mattes in my life. But it's very pretty, and I like that Stila shadow. Now I'm just gonna finish up with some mascara and lashes and give you guys my final thoughts. All right, so those are all of the products in the mystery box and all of them on my face. I like how the makeup look turned out, and I am happy overall with that box. Definitely paid less than what everything in it was worth retail price. It was worth more than double what I paid for it, so no complaints there. And I liked all the products that were inside. I'm definitely gonna keep using them, and really no other complaints. I mean, I kind of had high standards from the last mystery box, which had some more rare, kind of high demand products like the Jeffree Star products and some Kylie cosmetics. So I kind of was hoping for something like that, but you know, that's just me being picky. If I had to be picky, there could always be better stuff, you know? But let me know if you guys liked this video. What was your favorite product in the box? And if you did like it, I could do another one, maybe buy an even more expensive mystery box since we're having so much luck with them. But you guys let me know what you want in the comments. But that's all for this video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, don't forget to subscribe before you leave so you don't lose me in this big internet world. You can keep coming back for new videos every single week. Click this button if you haven't bought my palette yet, and then check out these other videos of mine if you haven't seen them yet, and I will see you guys in my next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys. Mwah. Bye.